We've made periods seem like it's something to be ashamed of or something that's like not natural or gross. We kind of hide it, we don't want to share it with anyone, but it's something that's natural to us and important, and it's what makes us different. So I think it's important to make the taboo that surrounds periods not existent. I became interested in the topic of periods because I had a blog that talked about women, but no one was really talking about feminine health and hygiene, and so I decided I wanted to start talking about those topics. And then I heard about Period Movement, which made me want to start Period Miami. The goal of Period Miami is to provide feminine health products to women in need, and also educate the community about periods. I think it's important to supply these products because it's just not a product that people really think about. Whenever people donate to the homeless, they tend to think food or clothes, things like that. And no one is really thinking about the other things that women in particular need, which is feminine hygiene products. A lot of the women that don't have access to these products ends up reusing pads or washing them, and it's just very unhygienic and it's not safe. So it's really important that we provide this to the Miami community because there's a huge need for it. We have periods. I decided to do packing parties as opposed to just collecting donations because I thought the parties make periods fun and exciting, and it gives women a place to come together and talk about their periods and also do something good for the Miami community. Each period pack has enough product inside for a full cycle, so we tend to give about 7 pads, 7 tampons, 7 feminine wipes, just about 7 of everything because that's the average cycle is 5 to 7 days, and we want to make sure the women have enough to cover everything. Since our launch, we have packed over 700 periods, which means that's 700 plus periods served. I would love for that number to be higher. Every packing party we have a goal, we usually meet it. So we want to keep progressing and growing, and hopefully we can hit 1,000 periods before the end of the year.
Your Story segments brought to you in part by the Brunetti Foundation.